Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw a boy, or you can say namjoon of BTS. At first draw the shape of the face. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share. And please leave a comment that it helped you or you learned something from my video. If you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. On my Instagram, I'm gonna post this image with the reference pic. If you want to see the reference pic, then you can also visit my Instagram for the reference pic, because I'm gonna upload that there. Now I'm drawing the color of the shirt. The image I am drawing is a person is standing behind the door, or you can say wall. Now I'm drawing the eyebrows. Draw a round shape for the eyeballs, for the eyes. I mean an egg shape for the eyes. After drawing the shape, the circle, you can draw the shape of the eyes. Here I am using a normal HB pencil. You can use any kind of pencil that you have. Now we are drawing the nose. After fixing the face shape, now I'm drawing the ears. Draw the hairlines. Remove the excess lines. Now I am using a 4B pencil. Now I'm drawing the eyeballs. If you want to know how to draw nose, how to draw eyes, how to draw lips, then you can find those videos of the tutorials in my channel. If you want to check out, then you can check out it from my channel. Blend it with a cotton bar. If you have a blending stamp, or you can also blend it with a tissue. Now I'm drawing the lips. Now I'm drawing the hairs. It's little bit curly hair. It's not totally curly, it's little bit curly. Try to draw the face shape until you get the right shape. If you are a beginner, then you will have little bit trouble to draw everything properly, but if you practice it, then you will be able to draw it easily. So please do practice. In case of art, you have to do a lot of practice. You can just do it. Now I'm using cotton bud for blending. The dimple, that wall is almost done. Try to blend properly. I'm drawing flowers now. Though in actual pic, Namjoon had a lot of flowers on his shirt, but I'm not gonna draw that much flowers. I'm gonna just draw a few. Now try to blend the petals of the flower. Now highlight eyes, nose and lip. Highlight the flowers. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.